day, regardless of where you go to watch this video from right now, or maybe you go watch the recorded stream. Here is me, JVanFX, right here for YouTube. So today we want to talk about how we go take trade support and resistance. So now the theme of my stream for today night be this. So anybody waiting for YouTube will watch this video right now, I beg, do me one small favor, make you type for the chat, say you hear me and you see me and I did live and direct. I go appreciate. If not, when you watch this video later, make you help me drop comments if you like what you watch, and make you also share with your friends. And if you get brothers or sisters too, we like to trade forex or we like to learn forex, make you share with them too waiting you go see for inside this video. I go appreciate. And if you never subscribe, make you subscribe, so that anytime where I drop or where I won't come live like this, you go get notification say I dey live and you go join me, make we dey run the thing they go. So as it dey hot, make we start nah. So we go learn how to trade support and resistance. So support and resistance, the better place where we go dey draw support and resistance now for support on the monthly or support for weekly. Support resistant for monthly, resistant for weekly. So this is not a place where we go they draw support and resistance, because support and resistance is strong where for the higher time frame, monthly, weekly. So for now, if we look the chart like this right now, we will see, and this video where I did do so, or this live stream now for my friends traders waiting for Africa, but I would prefer to use the word Akebulan, because Akebulan might be the original name of our continent we then call Africa. So now Akebulan now I go to hear me they talk. And if you get interest, if you look with the research of Akebulan, so all traders waiting for Akebulan, this video now for now, because the language where they use they speak, okay, now Pidgin English, and now the language where me I personally decide to use to make this video, because I want make not be say if I use English and I not go understand, I go understand, but I know say many people there for YouTube where they use different language. For example, now some people there for India now, then they use India. Chinese, they use Chinese. So me, my own language now Pidgin English. My language not be English, but Pidgin English na part of my language, because for West Africa now Pidgin English I know say na be our lingua franca where we use to speak among ourselves, at least to we try to understand ourselves small. Like for example now Ghana they speak Pidgin English. I don't know if Kenya they speak, but I know say Ghana, or I don't know if any other one among the 54 countries where they for Akebulan. I don't know, but I go try and find out. But I know say some of us they speak Pidgin English and we understand very well. So basically, if you understand this Pidgin English, this video or this stream now for you. Now make I not talk too much. May I just go into the topic of waiting I want to share: support and resistance. How we go take the use support and resistance to make money for inside this market. Okay, so as we see for here, for inside the weekly chart, we see short-term downtrend here. The market they make lower lows, lower high, lower lows, abi. But before this high we dey for here, waiting make the market for this place just by itself sellers just begin to push price go down for here. Wetin be the thing wey sellers then see for this place we make them come begin to push price go down for where it is? Well, it is simple. It is simple. The thing that because of say, if I take this my horizontal line for here like this now, so if I put it on top this place like this, and I go see say for here as it be like this place they tell me one simple fact. Wetin be that? That say if I look from this direction, here, go back, follow that line, go back like this, I go see say before right, before this thing, before the market react like this as resistance for here, it already react as resistance for here. You see how so? Now you see how so? This market's bearish candle, engulfed bearish candle. When this market break go down for here, then buyers can't try to push the price go up. They attempt that, and when the market reach here, it rejects as what? As resistance for here, go down. Right? They push and go down for here. So this resistance wey dey here, so now number one key factor, very important point where we need to take into consideration to show say yes, in the future anytime we price come this area, it likely make price sellers enter the market. Those sellers then we push price go down for here, buyers push and go up, sellers push and go down again. So it makes sense anytime we price come this area, make sellers we push price go down, enter the market, push price go down again. And exactly now wetin happen for here with that. So in other words, the data we don't happen past in time, and in the past, anytime we price push go that area, it likely make it react again to the same direction when it react to. Like when it first come here, it sell go down, sellers push and go down, and when it come here again, you see say sellers push can go down. So now so support and resistance they react. So for this place, we don't know the reason why the sellers push price go down for here, and because now them push price go down for here, and those wey push price go down for here no be small people o. No be people wey dey trade with $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $50,000, not even 1 million. Not be those wey dey trade with 1 million and push price go down for this place like this. Now those wey be say when we talk of 50 million, we talk of 100 million, maybe 200, 500 million, 200 million upward like that. Now them get money to push price go down like this. And now they talk about all those, big banks them, all those millionaires we don't take for the market, and those hedge funds like back in time, many of you know about MMM, my forex fund. So those people that we get big money, and at them they do all these things. We get Barclay now another hedge fund company waiting for United States, I think. We get JP Morgan Forex, right? We get them plenty. Now they use their money to manipulate the market. Understand? So, and when them push price come here, buyers to do it for this place. Buyers push price go up for here. Understand? So, buyers enter the market, they push price because when I see what happen for here, for this place, when the market break this level, buyers push and go up for here. It go up, sellers push and come down for this level, come retest this area. Then sellers will push price for this place before go up. They enter the market, then push and from here too, then push and go up before sellers come push and come back the same level. You know, see so now sellers again can't do anything for here, then buy and go up. Then for this place, buyers push and go up, not be sellers, buyers push and go up. Then for this place, back in time, in the past, sellers don't push price go down like this before. Now them consider waiting, they come enter the market again because see the resistance for here we then create. they come push price go down, because already they already put big money for here, they trade the market go down. So it makes sense when the market come here, they still carry their big money for inside the market, then push price go down for here. And as we did all the things where we don't talk, like from up here now, so all this place, from here, come reach here. If you now follow the same pattern, the same style, now like that the market they work. With my little of 4 years for inside this business, now waiting I don't see with my 2 naked eyes like this, koro, see the market they work like this. Now, the sellers will push price from here go down. They don't create a level of what? Resistance for here. And that's why when buyers enter the market from here, push price go up. Now, they try to do it, push price go down. But buyers too, then they for inside this place. Oh, then they follow the fight. Serious fight, they go on. Buyers they buy, sellers they sell, buyers they buy. So who go win? But we go see. So now like that support and resistance be. And at this now the weekly time frame. So if we want to trade this market, for example, like for me now, waiting I see for here. For example, waiting I see. I see this place here now support. This area here now support. Like this. Sellers come push price go down like this, then push price come down like this, and buyers now come they buy, and this na last month. Today na 2nd of today na 2nd of June. Now buyers don't enter the market. For me, this market suppose sell go down, right? But see wetin happen for here. Buyers now then push price for here go up back in time. So this weak rejection for here, now say buyers then dey for this place, then sit down, then they wait make the market come down. Now when the market don't come down, come here, you see as they push and they go up. You understand? So because this place now strong support level, strong one, strong support level for here. Now they say because not be just only here the market react to support, or not be just only here buyers don't buy the market before. Remember wetin I talk for here, they buy the market for here, then buy the market for here. Sellers come push and go down, then do it, then buy and go up. Sellers push and come down, it close for here. Sellers push and go up, then still try push and come down, it close above here. Sellers come push and come down. But before the market close for the week, buyers buy and go up. And since then, it don't do this level like this. Now, sellers don't manage, push and come down, come here. This same level, where buyers want take push and go up. Now there, sellers come push and come. Now, buyers don't enter the market with their money. They don't fight with the sellers right now. So who go win? Now I be waiting with the C for here now. So, but for me, I did want respect this level of resistance wey happen for here before, like this, for the monthly time frame. I mean for the weekly time frame. I want respect that because now strong support before sellers come strongly, forcefully with their big amount of money, push price to break this support we did here before. And this support now strong support because we get resistance for here too, and we get support for here. So it makes sense. Just like buyers use, then put big money to push price go up for here, and then push and go up. Sellers will want to do the same thing. They also need to push price go down. They have to put big amount of money to create this move, push price go down. Now year 2 don't turn to support. As it be like this, year 2 don't turn to waiting, it don't turn to support. Now waiting go happen for this place. Now who will come win? Well, as it be for me I go like sell the market for the smaller time frame. just because of this support, breakout, retest, and go down. Excuse me. So now so the market you do sometimes you go break out for support area. Una no vex abeg. E go break out for support area. E go back, go retest that level as una dey see for here. Then e go come begin dey sell. So sellers dey wait for here as e be. Sellers dey wait for here to push price go down. And as una dey see so, una go see say when the market don reach here like this, sellers don dey push am go down small. They never really put big money for inside the market right now. So make we just dey watch. So if we go for daily time frame, una go see say make we go back to weekly. Make I move this thing. May I move and go the smaller time frame too. Daily. You see am for here so na daily be this. Na daily be this. So that thing wey happen for weekly na it happen for here. Now see as the market take push go down so. Na sellers na dem push price go down like this. Now buyers come dey buy and they go up like this. So as it be like this, so this market for me na sell for this week. The market go sell for this week. That one na wetin me personally I dey look to sell the market go down, because I see say when buyers push price go up to retest this breakout, eventually sellers go do it, then go sell the market go down. So I dey expect make sellers push price go down because of this resistance area back in time. Una see am so, because as e be like this now, so even this weekly support area wey dey here, they don break am go down. As dem break am go down, so buyers dey push am go up because we get support for this area here. You understand? Say the weekly and the daily they correspond together. They dey in the same direction. They dey for the same direction. You understand? So me I go for the smallest time frame where I take the trade, maybe the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. I go look for price action. I'll go look for price action movement where I go take sell the market. So now here we dey like this. This stuff. Okay, need to put down for 4. All right, don't do there. We'll go to 4 hour time frame. Now here still the same thing. So for the 4 hour time frame, we will see say the market they move smoothly. So for the 4 hour time frame, we get short term downtrend. I believe says some of una know it, they call short term downtrend. So now short term downtrend be this. We get lower low here because now the higher highs for here and higher low for here. So the market here break this higher low for here. So now here we go draw and come like this. It can become lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. So it makes sense as a day like this, so make the market do it, make the market buy go up, just as when it make lower low for here, it can make lower high. As it don't make lower low here, so it makes sense make it go up, go make another lower high before it begin to sell. And again, we also get trend line where they confirm say now the trend of this market now down. Now see so support and resistance now the power we get with this. And if you sabi am or more, you go make money for the market and no be joke. And this 4 hour short term trend one at the see so before we go even trade them, we go make sure say from the weekly time frame there we see the short term trend of the weekly time frame now down. So the weekly time frame short term trend it dey for the same direction with the 4 hour. Even the monthly lower lows, lower high, and lower lows. So it makes sense make this market buy small before it begin to sell. Understand? So Although some people will consider this place consolidation, but not be consolidation. So far for me, sha. So the short-term trend, this one come from the weekly. Suppose they here. Okay. And from the weekly, suppose they are not necessary. So now the monthly short-term trend be this. So the 4-hour time frame and the weekly time frame, their short-term trend, they for the same direction with the 4-hour time frame. Now, what about the daily? Now the daily be this. So what will be the daily short-term trend? Because we need to do for the same direction, so that if we want sell for the 4-hour time frame, we go not say we not just they sell the market anyhow, but we dey in the same direction with the higher time frame, because the higher time frame now then they stronger, and there now they move the price action and the price movement for the smaller time frame. One candle now they make all those many moves for the smaller time frame. So we go need to trade for the smaller time frame, but we go make sure say the trade we want take for the smaller time frame, it dey for the same direction with the higher time frame. So now waiting I dey try talk now be that. So even the daily time frame, I go see a line like this, now the daily time frame the short term trend also now down, and we also get our trend line like this, where they confirm say this trend now down e dey so we don't set. So this market like this now, so for me it makes sense make I sell, look for opportunity. Okay, I no go just sell anyhow, I go make sure say I look for opportunity. So as the market don't make low, it won't go up, go make high. So me and now I go dey wait for that market to make high. When it don't make the high, I go come look for bearish candlestick pattern. Bearish candlestick pattern where I believe say some of una go don't know bearish candlestick pattern. For example, now this na bearish candlestick pattern, bearish engulfing. Wetin make this on bearish engulfing? Now because say the market open for here, sellers come push and go down, and this bullish candle open for down here, buyers push and go up. So this candle come close below the open of this bullish candle. So it open for down here, it close for up here. This one open for up here, it close for down here, and it close below the open of this one. You see how so it pass am, now it make am bearish engulfing candlestick signal pattern. The two of them together, 9 be the combination of bearish candlestick signal pattern. And the market sellers push and go down. Even when they try buy go up here, sellers still push and go down for here. So now like that it be. So now support and resistance be that the power of support and resistance. And I go see say even for this 4-hour time frame, nah. Today will be Monday. See, as the market break go up like this, even for here, support and resistance, one thing I want make una understand is support and resistance no be line. Okay, now area, levels, area. So it they take more space. Like for example now, so if I want to draw my support and resistance area or levels, I no go use just one line like this. I dey use this one line till they do example. So now area. So if I want draw, like for example, now I go say support and resistance for here like this. I fit do like this. So now area, resistance, support, resistance. Now it don't turn support. Market break go up. Now it dey test time for here too, just as it test time for here. Now see market they buy, they go up. And now because say now area too for here, who knows, this market self is still go up. This market for here, if it still go up like this before sellers push and go down. Now so the market they operate. The market go operate. It go, those people will get big money, then go push the market when they're ready. Now be the manipulation. You see, so left for say the market, make they just leave the market, make the market they operate itself. People they buy normally, they sell normally. As this market come here like this now, so it's supposed to the sell because it don't reach resistance, and this resistance na strong resistance because many support dey here back in time before the market come break go down. So once you reach here, it's supposed begin dey sell because now so everybody take understand the technical analysis of this business. Understand? So, but because of manipulation, they fit still push price. They fit push price go up, even break this high wey dey for here. Come dey push and go up until maybe where they don tire, they don make money well. They fit push the market come here if they like. For any reason wey dey inside their heart wey make them dey push the price go up here because they wan make money just like we too wan make money. So they go take their big money to do anything wey dem like for the market. Na power now. When they get big money, when a person get big money, go fit take the big money do anything wey they like because he go believe say he get the power, the resources, and the money na be the resource. Understand? So normally as the market come here like this now, so we suppose begin to sell the market go down, but not be like that the market dey work. So we go dey very very careful, very very careful, because if we never see bearish candle signal pattern just like this one happen for here, e no go make sense make we just begin to sell the market say because the market don reach resistance. That resistance na number one reason to sell the market, but one reason to sell the market for here e no reach. We need more reasons. Now if we say make we sell the market for here now, so with, for example, if the market creates okay, ma say before the market make I do replay. Shey I get replay like this? Okay, I get am. So may I do replay for here like this? So I don't cut that candle wey dey for the front of this one. So let's say before the market sell go down, before now replay I dey do, I don't cut that part comot. So I wan do the example make we see this thing wey I dey talk now. The time wey the market dey here, when we dey talk of, as I dey talk about support and resistance for here, we dey see say the market dey come from up here like this. E don make lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high. So the market don dey here now. Make we say for example now, the market dey move for this place. E never come down, come reach all this place. We wan come sell am because of say we don learn about support and resistance. Wetin we go do? We see support and resistance dey here. Na the same so. Support and resistance dey here back in time. So now support be this, now resistance be this. All of this place now waiting, all of this area now resistance, because we dey see say from here, from this area here, when the market manage break, sellers push price go down for here like this. Buyers come push waiting from here, they push and go up, sellers push and go down. Buyers enter am again, they push and go up, sellers push and come down. Buyers push and go up, sellers push and come down. Sellers push and come down. Sellers just dey do it, they just dey push price come down like this. Finally they push and go down, come reach here. Buyers push and go up, then still push and go down. So it just be buyers they push go up, sellers they push come down until this bearish engulfing way. Buyers push and go up here, sellers can't do it, they come push and like this come down here. This area too now support. This area now support already. We dey see and say now support, but we go see say we dey for resistance, we dey for support area. We feel the fear say, what if we can't sell the market from here? Sellers come push and go, buyers come push and go up, wetin go happen? So that fear alone fit make us know do wetin, sell the market. So we need to get many reasons to sell the market. Many reasons go help us no fear this support wey dey here. Many reasons no go help us make we no fear. We go sell the market, go down, come reach here, take profit for this level here. Because these support areas na strong support wey dey come from where? E dey come from the monthly and from the weekly time frame. Una see am so? So na like that e be. Now, no be say na this bearish candle signal pattern only na be the one reason why we go sell the market. We go sell the market because we dey see the trend with our two korokoro eye like this, say the trend na down. This short term downtrend e dey stronger than this support wey dey for the 4-hour time frame. And again, una remember say I talk say as I check, una see am, the daily time frame in the past dey down, like the short term downtrend na down. Weekly too, the short term trend na down. Monthly, the short term trend na down. So if we count monthly short term trend down 1, weekly short term trend down 2, daily short term trend 3, 4-hour short term trend 4. So the trend line too dey confirm say the short term trend is down. That's 5 reasons. Then for this place, we dey see say the market for this area here, e don make lower low, e come up here. E make sense make the market sell because e don make lower high like that. Then e come make bearish candlestick pattern engulfing, and bearish candlestick pattern e dey reverse trend. So if we go for the smallest time frame now, we go see say this trend here na confirm trend. For example, if we comot for the 4-hour now, say we dey go for something like the 30-minute chart now, and I go see that trend wey we dey look for the 4-hour time frame, na im be this. Na here e dey. Una see am so? Na im do all this movement. That 4-hour movement na im do all this one. So we no get any reason why we no go sell the market for this place. We no get any reason. So the market don sell that 4-hour engulfing candle. Na im sell like this, come down. E come retrace, come here. And for inside even the 30-minute chart, we dey see say already we get resistance for here. So if na say, for example, we wan sell for the 30-minute chart, as the market come here like this now, so we will just sell the market, go down. We will put our stop loss here, and we go target this area for take profit. This monthly and weekly support area here, and here we go target for take profit area. This level for here for the smaller time frame. For the weekly, for the 30-minute chart. Una see am so? So now like that the market, if we understand support and resistance from the higher time frame, e dey very easy to trade am even for the 5-minute chart. That one na wetin I dey do. Sometimes I dey trade for the 15-minute chart. Sometimes I dey trade for the 1-hour chart. Sometimes I dey trade for 30-minute chart. Sometimes I dey trade for 4-hour chart. Why? Because I understand support and resistance. I understand candlestick signal patterns. I understand market structure. I understand short-term trends. Una see am so? So before I go enter my trade, I must make sure say I put all these reasons together, wey some people dey call the more confluences wey you get for your direction wey you wan trade the market go, the more the market go work according to the way you wan take trade am. No be because of say you know say the market go really go your direction o, but na because of say wetin you dey see for inside the market, wetin you dey see for your chart, now you just dey follow. So if for example now, me and you come trade the market for this place, we come put our stop loss for here, bearish candlestick pattern, so we dey trade like this. We put our our profit target for here like this. We come, for example, now I go do wetin? I will play that replay, and we go see wetin go happen. Now see wetin happen there so. Now see so, the market first go up. The market no sell immediately o. That place where I put that sell this, e no sell immediately o. Wetin happen to the market? The market first go up from here. E first go up, come like this. e come test this candle small, this area. Na buyers wey push price go down, so na dem come do wetin, na dem come push price go down reach here for where I for enter the market. Dem come finally push am go down, we come make profit. Na like this thing be. This thing no be rocket science, no be rocket science. Wetin we just need to do na to understand support and resistance. Once we understand support and resistance level for inside this market, omo, e don finish o. E don finish. But no be only support and resistance we need to understand. This video, like I dey talk, na about support and resistance, and I believe say many of una wey go dey watch this video, so una go don understand market structure, short-term trends. But I just make I pass this small information wey me I know, wey I dey use, wey dey work for me. As me I just pass and give una, so that una go fit to add am if e make sense for una. Una go add and join wetin una dey do. So, like as I talk, na from the weekly time frame, na we for bring that support and resistance. No be so, na from weekly time frame. And at the weekly time frame, na be this. Abi? Not be weekly, na weekly now. Na from weekly. Na be this. So na weekly like be. So we get this support here. So the market dey react to this support. So I go put am like this because of this bearish candle for the weekly time frame as support. So right now the market dey react to this support. Now e dey go resistance. So where be the resistance where e fit go? Well, like I talked before, we get resistance for here. Now the market don dey break, support for here. The market don dey break this support. So I wan move, I wan capture, like I talk, na area. Support and resistance na area, no be one particular line. So if na say I wan use this rectangle now, so I go take both here like this, because I wan use the rectangle. So the rectangle go serve as what? So I dey pick many areas: support, breakout, retest. So this retest now, if it go as long as even this up, if you even come this area, if it come there too, if it, because even the body of the candle there, they serve as support and resistance too. Now see so breakout, retest as support, go up, come down here. At this level it went up, it came down here again, then it tries to go up, then finally sellers push and come down. Understand? So now like that support and resistance dey work. So if we dey trade the market according to support and resistance with the direction of the trend, make una try to get this point right now. If we dey trade the market buy or sell, for example, let's say buy, but we do example of sell for here. So let's say we dey buy, wetin be the trend, wetin be the direction of the trend? Shey the direction of the trend dey support this buying wey we wan buy for this support area? So we need to put am into consideration. If not, we dey joke with our account. And that one no go make sense. We go joke with real money, because to get real money no be small thing, especially for Nigeria right now. Everywhere eye dey red. So make una try. I dey talk now, this talk now na for beginner analysts and traders. Make una try, make una analyze the market very well before una enter the trade. Make una make sure say una get plenty reasons. If una buy, una wan buy, una get plenty reasons. Make the reason wey una wan buy the market plenty pass the reason why some people dey sell the market. So it dey like 1 + 1 + 1 + 1. Okay, I wan buy this market. Wetin I dey see? The short-term trend e dey up. That is 1. Wetin I dey see else again? I dey see say the market dey for support level. That's 2. Excuse me. I dey see say the trend line dey support the trend wey dey go up. The direction of the trend na 3 points be that. I dey see bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. That's how many points? That's 4 points like that. Now we can check wetin be the point for those wey dey sell the market. If na say okay, you wan sell the market, you no wan buy, how many points you dey see, how many points you get? You go do the same thing wey you do as you wan buy the market. Resistance 1, that is if e dey the trend shey na down abi na up, you go check. If na down, if the trend na down, you go count am 2. If the buying point no too much wey e take pass the selling point, e be like say consolidation dey somehow, so e go dey like 50-50. But if na say you wan buy, you get more points, more reasons, more confluences to buy the market. Like for example, you get like 5 reasons and you only get 2 reasons for selling. You go look for opportunity to do wetin, to buy the market. That one na dey call high probability trade. Even wetin you dey see, those big guys with big money, dem sef dey see wetin you dey see at the time. So once you buy the market at the right time, before you know, dem go put big money for inside the market, because dem sef dey wan buy that market. So dem dey wait for make the market set, dem go pack big money put for inside. So their big money, dem go use their big money take help you with your little money, take make money for inside the market. Na like that e be. So na the power of resistance and support na be that. So make una try watch this video again, make una see from the beginning wetin I talk, how I take talk about how we go take the support and resistance from the higher time frame, and support and resistance for the higher time frame na im matter pass those wey dey for the smaller time. E no mean say the smaller ones dem no matter o, dem matter, but wey matter pass na from the higher time frame. So na here I wan drop this video, so una understand. So make una watch am again, maybe at least 3 times, una understand, and then una try see wetin una fit take for inside, apply join wetin una already know. I believe say e go try help una small. So if una like wetin una watch, abeg una just like, subscribe, and make una share with una friends too. Una understand. So I appreciate una, I thank una very much. Maybe some other time I will drop another video, or I will come live, and if una subscribe already, when I come live, una go dey aware. I really don't know the exact time where I go fit dey come live, where una go dey available to dey watch, una go join the live stream, so that we fit dey talk together. So even if una get a currency pair wey una wan make I analyze, I go analyze am for una, no problem. So once again, I greet una good morning and a good afternoon, and a good night for some of una wey dey for night for Akebuland. Until another time, make una take care and make una trade wisely. Una bye bye for now.